Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new items. Now this is going to be a beer bottle cooler, okay? Beer bottle cooler, and the brand on this item is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Now before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the overall exterior measurements for this unit so you have an idea what it measures. Starting with the length here. You're looking at a total of 49.5 inches, 49.5. Front to back, you're looking at a total of 28 inches, 28. Overall height for this unit, you're looking at height of 38.5 inches, 38.5. Now the unit does have casters already installed, so it makes it easier for use. Okay, now also on the front, we have a beer or a bottle opener, okay, located on the front. And if you take a closer look at the very bottom is where you will be able to find your temperature control. Okay, so temperature will be shown on there once the unit is on and running. You can also set your temperature if you want to go ahead and change temp on that same controller. Okay guys, now we're going to go ahead and show you the inside and give you those inside measurements for this beer bottle cooler. Okay, starting with inside measurements, I'm going to start with the length here. And we're going to look at a total of 44.5 inches, 44.5. Okay, now front to back, we're looking at a total of 21 inches. And the height, bottom to the top here, you're looking at a 24.5 inches. Okay, so those are your inside measurements. As you can see, you also will be provided with dividers on the inside. You have 3. You also will be provided with keys. So these keys are going to be for the locks on these slide doors. There is going to be locks on these slide doors here. You also will be provided with a instruction manual booklet. So if you have any questions or don't know, having trouble maybe starting this unit up, all the information is going to be on that booklet. Lastly, we have our fan on the inside for the cooling. And on one of the corners here, we have a sticker with all the information regarding this unit. You will be able to locate all the specs as well as a circuit diagram and certification for this unit. Okay, so all that will be located on the sticker inside of this unit. Okay, now I want to go ahead and show you the back of this unit. And on the back, we will be able to locate our plug. It is a standard US plug. Also, we have a sticker that will display your model for this unit. JBC50-HC. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration for this beer bottle cooler. Okay guys, so that's going to be a demonstration for this beer bottle cooler. Now, if you're interested in one of these models, you can go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. That is where we're going to have all the information regarding this unit, including the price for this exact model. Also, if you have any other questions, you can call us before you purchase. You can give us a call and we'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.